Hey, welcome back to Crack's Country Cooking. Today we're making dill red potato salad. With summer fast approaching, people are going to be inviting you to parties, you're going to have barbecues and stuff like that to go to, or some of your own. So today I'll show you how I make my dill potato salad that everybody's going to love. You'll make it once and everybody's going to ask you for the recipe. First thing I'm going to do, gotta dice up these red potatoes. Of course, after you wash them. Of course, you want to make sure these are washed. Nobody wants dirt in their food. Also, when you're dicing these, you want to think about who's going to be eating them. Because if kids are eating these, obviously you don't want huge chunks. So we'll get this last one cut here. Now the trick to not having mushy potato salad is you don't boil the potatoes. No, you bake them at 450 degrees on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. And that is how you keep your potato salad from being mushy. After these are diced, you want to hit them up with some cooking oil, olive oil, avocado oil. It'll stop them from oxidizing, keep it from sticking to the parchment paper. Give them a pinch of salt. Pour these out onto a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Spread these out. You don't want them overcrowded because they'll steam. We want them to bake. We'll hit them up with a little bit of pepper. We'll throw these in the oven for about 30 minutes. Next, we'll take a bunch of chives here, take out the bad ones, and we will cut these up. Next, we will take some dill, pull the leaves off the stem. You want 3 or 4 pretty thick stalks. So we'll take a cup of mayo, we'll take a cup of sour cream, Dijon mustard, some Worcestershire, salt, pepper, onion and garlic powder, pickle juice. Give that a mix. Next, we will add 1 whole pickle. I use Clausen pickles. I think they're far superior than any other pickle out there. Give that a mix. Almost forgot, tablespoon of celery seed. You also want to take a grater, and you need 2 hard-boiled eggs, and just grate that in. You could also use a bigger grater. I'm using a zester, so give that a mix. Now we can add our fresh dill. and our chives. Give that a mix. Now you can adjust the salt, pepper levels. Should be pretty close, just like that. Yeah, that's good, just like that. All right, it's been 30 minutes. Let's have a look. That's how they look. Now we'll give them a couple minutes to cool down. So now they've cooled down. You can just take this aluminum foil, fold in the edges, just pour it in. The beauty of parchment paper. Now our sauce, we'll pour that over the top and we'll gently fold that in. It's time to taste it. This is a favorite of mine, my friends. It's so good. The dill just punches you right in the mouth, in a good way. If getting punched in the mouth is a good thing. Man, it's so good. I haven't made this since last summer. Well, there you have it. That's how I make my dill potato salad. It's excellent. Everybody loves it. If you like this video, please watch our past videos. Hit that like and subscribe button. We have more videos coming out. You can follow us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, of course, YouTube. You guys have a good one. See you.